We're so excited for this. I can hardly contain myself with a special edition of Today Food as we gear up for the Paris Olympics. Eric Ripert, one of our favorites, obviously one of the best chefs in the world. Of course, a proud Frenchman as well, here with the classic French dish to get us pumped up for the Olympics. Chef, always good to see you. This is the 6th time that the Olympics are going to be held in your home country. It is the 100-year anniversary of it being in Paris.
Yeah.
It's a big deal. Is it,
for sure.
Is it exciting for you?
Yes, of course it's exciting. I'm going to watch, and hopefully the French athletes will do well as well.
That's right. Well, we're praying for the U.S. athletes over here in the village. But, Chef, when people go to France, walk us through what you're going to make today.
So people will go in Paris and they're going to eat in bistros and other restaurants. But a staple in France is a steak frites with shallot sauce. So we are going to do that.
Love it.
First of all, we have to make a beef jus. So we are cooking some scraps of beef. We're going to add some shallots in it, some garlic, like that.
So these scraps are from what, if you're at home? Is this a leftover from...
You ask the butcher to give you some scraps, and they give you some fatty pieces of meat. Okay. Then we are going to put a little bit of flour, and that will give a bit of richness to the broth. Instead of being too liquidy, it will be garlic, rich and thick.
Shallots, flour, and a little bit of water.
And now we're going to put the water.
And this is just to make the jus.
You make the jus. You let the water reduce by half.
Yeah.
And then you will have a nice brown jus that we are going to use.
Okay, beautiful. And then we got our steak.
We have a beautiful steak.
What do you like about the New York cut in particular for steak feeds?
The New York cut because it's delicious. And very often in a bistro, because this is a very expensive cut, they have skirt steak or flank steak, which is a cut that is not as expensive, but very, very tasty. And it's what you find in those bistros. We are going to cook our steak right here. Yeah. Like this.
And you've generously seasoned both sides of it?
Yes.
Do you have any oil, fat down, or nothing?
Yeah, we have some oil, that you can see. Okay. And also the meat's going to release some of the oil. Yep. And then we are moving here. It's not going to burn, it's going to sear. It has to sear really well. Yep. So here you see the meat as being some of the cooked and seared.
The residues left over.
We're going to add a little bit of butter. And then shallots, a lot of shallots. Like this.
Is this similar to the au pois sauce? But I mean, it's a shallot-based sauce. Is it similar or not?
Well, it's a bit different because you actually deglaze the pan with brandy,
a little more technique
cognac,
in the au pois.
The pepper and a bit of cream. But usually you flambe, you make a big flame. Yeah. I don't think it's a good idea in this studio.
No, it's not a good idea. How is it, guys? I know, Craig, this is our favorite meal, right?
Yeah.
So good.
And the fries. You haven't even touched these fries yet.
They're going to take a bit of time, become very, very sweet, and at the same time dark.
Well, this will be fun to make on Friday for the opening ceremonies at the house. Make the nice little steak frites to get in the mood.
And it's easy. It's easy to make.
And now you've let it rest. You're going to cut it.
Let it rest. You slice it. So I made it medium rare.
Oh, it's beautiful, Chef.
Like this. Yeah. You have a very good knife.
Do you ever cut yourself anymore? Or is that just yesteryear stuff?
Rarely.
Rarely, right.
Nobody likes to cut himself.
No.
And I did it many times when I was young. And then...
I know, I'm going to...
And then, of course, the sauce with the shallots caramelized goes on top like that.
Well, having you make this, what a treat.
Yeah. Hey, Chef, what's the secret to great French fries?
The secret is to cook them first in oil at a very low temperature, at 315 until they become soft. Then you remove them. You bring your oil to 380 or 400, and then
dunk them back in.
Bring them back.
Oh, they're twice
Then they become crunchy. Then you remove them, and then you season them and put salt.
Can you guys believe Les Bernardines here in New York? Not only the Michelin stars, the 4-star New York Times reviews, not only does it have all that, but your restaurant, how have you kept that for 35 years? How do you continue? You have a dynasty. You're the Kansas City Chiefs of restaurants.
Dynasty, I don't know. But the team is very important because the team stays with us for a long time. And it helps us create consistency and quality. And that, I think, is the secret of Le Bernardin.
You still have that pounded yellowfin tuna?
Oh, yeah, we do.
Oh, that's amazing.
Well, you have to come back.
I would like to. I've never been. I would like to go. Chef?
You have mayonnaise.
So the mayonnaise, too. This is a Parisian thing?
Yes, the Parisians like mayonnaise or mustard with their fries. And they dip it in it. And it's, as you know, very good.
I also read a simple thing, Chef. You said when Americans or anybody goes to Paris that a must-have thing that's quick and easy is a famous croissant.
Croissant on the morning.
In the
you
morning.
will smell them in the streets. So you go to the bakery, buy your croissant,
Oh, what a way to start,
or
right?
pain au chocolat, or whatever.
What is it about the French butter? Why is French butter so good?
I think the quality of the milk that they use is much better than what we have here.
Yeah.
Go to the website, sign up, get this recipe. Very easy to make.
Thanks,
Chef, thank
Eric.
you so much.
Well done,
Always a
Chef.
pleasure. We are back after a quick check of your local news, weather, and these quick messages.
Au revoir.
Insane.
What happened? What happened?
Thank you.